So via subscriber, in this update we're gonna talk on Jada Kingdom and what she said in an interview with she and Burna Boy a link up. Plus we also have Jafrass who found himself in a accident, you see me? So you don't know how to get to work already, you have to get into them topics, you see me? So remember, relax, subscribe to 4K Shala Energy and we could get right into it.
Oh no, catch a rock ya. With the Gucci bag, Rex by me hip side. Sipping any on the rock ya.
So via subscriber, as you can see, we kick off this review with Jafrass. Yeah man, the dancehall entertainer was in a car accident and recently I hear say he's in the hospital but he must suffer from some memory loss. You see me? So I'm going to read the article and make you see what really happened. Or make you have an understanding of what's going on with Jafrass, you see me? So yeah man, so pretty well go on. Dancehall artist Jafrass has been hospitalized after being involved in a serious motor vehicle accident on Saturday morning in the corporate area. The DJ is presently recuperating after the accident, which occurs about 8:30 a.m. The DJ is shaken up. He is wearing a neck brace. He has laceration on his neck and his head, and he is supposed to do a CT scan. He said that he just remember being in the accident with blood all over his face and then waking up in the hospital. Manager Anthony Taylor told Observer Online. So, I don't think I need to read no more. As you can see, or as you can hear, it's a very dangerous accident the entertainer went through. And it happened from Saturday. You see me? But I'm just get to touch on the topic. But all I can say is the artists them are not just the artists them, but everybody just need to be careful on the streets. And worse when you drive a fast car, you see me? You have to just be careful. Because I think I said this before, I'm going to say it again. When you're on the street and you may feel like saying I drive for yourself, but at the end of the day you have to drive for everybody. Because you can do there I drive safe and somebody else I drive reckless. And that can cause you to end up in an accident, you see me? So I hope the entertainer get a speedy recovery and get back on his feet. Everything go good for him. You see me? But you have to just be careful out there. As artists or as fans or whatever, you see me? Just have to be careful when you're on the road or drive or whatever, you see me? Be careful because at the end of the day we have reckless drivers out there where them just a drive. They don't really made nothing. They just a drive. And what happen. I just saw them a pray. You see me via subscriber. So wanna just be safe out there. And as me say, I hope Jafrass get a speedy recovery and get back on his feet quick as possible. You see me? Yeah man. So when I think about that, I don't know. I don't want nothing bad for happen to the artists them because I don't know. We don't really want to come vlog about it and say, yo, this happened to the artist, this happened to, you see me? We don't want that to happen. So as I say, hope everything goes well and get back in the studio and get back on his feet quick as possible, you see me? Yeah man, so let me know think about that for your subscriber. Moving on.
There's a little rumor going around right now. I don't want to put you on the spot too much, but word on the street is Jada and Burna Boy. You want to talk about that?
Oh, I'm on the street every day. I've never heard that.
And that's where I think we're going to wrap it there. We're not going to leave that.
Yo, man, I tell you this. Me not on the street every day, but me hear about this thing between Jada Kingdom and Burna Boy. And Jada Kingdom, when they on the street every day, cannot look for me and tell me say she don't hear about these rumors with she and Burna Boy. She can't tell me that. But to be honest, you have to respect why she said what she said, because at the end of the day, you know, I know every celebrity are gonna want their business out there in the media. You see me? Most of them are gonna want to like keep it on a low key level where it's just a win at the circle. You feel me? So you have to respect her answer, to be honest, but she cannot tell me say she not hear the rumors between she and Burna Boy.
Christ is what Burna sing about.
We are talking about.
What is when we are talking about? What Burna Boy sing about in the Taliban's dream.
Me have to go check it out.
You have to go check it out. You don't know no knowings of nothing while go on. Let me look my the chain close because
it wasn't me.
It wasn't you. You're Kingston, so me buy a Birkin for Jada Kingdom.
This is what you call trying to live in private. You see me? People want to know what's going on between Jada Kingdom and Burna Boy. But as you can see, as you can clearly hear, Jada Kingdom just want to keep it low key because, as I say, Jada Kingdom cannot be in the streets every day and don't hear what's going on. You see me? She cannot tell me that she don't hear the new Taliban remix where Burna Boy said he buy a bargain for Jada Kingdom. She cannot tell me that. But in the idea, you have to respect people's business. When them don't want to put it out in the media, you leave it alone. You see me? So big up to Burna Boy same way, big up to Jada Kingdom same way, you see me? Yeah man, so at the end of the day, as I say, we have to leave it alone where it is. She don't want to talk about it. Make we not get into it. You see me? So if you're a subscriber, make me know what you think about any of the topic them I touch upon. You see me? Remember, my respect and love the support from all of you. Run up the channel to 1,000. I soon reach there. So catch you in the next one as always. I'm out.